It's going to get real here shortly. So real you won't believe it. Brian, check out the exhaust when you get it up high enough.
He's not going to pay attention.
What's that for?
He's already tired.
Man, that's some gangster shit there. What the hell?
Brian,
That's what you call a tire braking machine.
Brian, yeah. Can you look what we did? Oh, yeah, real cute. We're doing for measurements. But it worked. Hey, Brian, you know what that is? What? Cardboard.
From your brake lines. He cut off. This is kind of... Wow, I could do this at my house too. Get a railroad tie and
Run out the side of the van, and I got groceries in there. Run them in the house.
Oh, okay.
Greenhorn didn't do nothing while he was gone. Brian,
What?
Greenhorn didn't do shit while he was gone.
You didn't do nothing?
No, other than the brakes.
Look how dirty he got.
Yeah, it's from playing with the exhaust, cutting up your storage tube from your brake lines.
Uh-huh.
You didn't change the tire one time for her?
Yeah.
And that don't last that long?
Like she wrecked it 2 weeks ago up on I-96. It was real icy. She went off in a ditch.
This is how to change tires in the hood.
All the rear end. Said nothing ever went wrong with it. Well, now we're starting to realize something did go wrong.
You're going to change the tires though.
Yeah, it's eating them up.
Well, you got the idea, people. Like, subscribe, comment here on the Daniel McKenzie Show. This was Daniel McKenzie and a Daniel McKenzie production. Now go to bed and get the hell out of here. Bye. GoPro, stop recording.